Good morning, YouTube. It's Scott Dunnage Garage. How you doing today? Well, it's time for us to get off the Rimrocker and see if we can't get this trailer fixed. So stay tuned. Also, we just started up a new website, www.dunnagegarage.com. Check it out.
All right, it's the last morning on the Rimrocker. Had a great night. Did some star photography last night. That was pretty cool. I'll put some pictures at the end of the video. We're pretty close to what we call Camp Defeated. If you watch the other video, that's where we realized the camper had fallen off the frame or tore off the frame through dry rot. And we spent the night there, went back to Moab and patched the camera. Not saying we're not having some issues on this trip. Our rear cabinet's kind of come loose, and we've got that temporarily fixed with a selfie stick. So when we get to Moab, we'll put an L bracket in it. Then we'll engineer something when we get back to Grand Island. We are at Camp Defeated. This is where we stopped last time on the Rimrocker when we had the trailer issues. Made camp, came up with a plan, head back to Moab the next day, patched the trailer, and then pretty much headed home. So, success. We have made it. Next stop, Moab.
Here we are, the last obstacle of the Rimrocker. Yep, bent my license plate, and well, we kind of roughed up the trailers a little bit here. See, it wasn't a hard obstacle, but the way the trailer articulated through here, it just didn't work too well. We ended up using that trailer as a plow and moved a bunch of rocks. Yeah, not sure that's what the spare tire's designed to do. Randy tags along behind, gets his wheels wet, and just sails through this like an old pro. After this, it is a smooth drive into Moab, and Moab was great. We hung out, we had lunch, did a little shopping, and then we stopped at the grocery store to stock up on supplies and found this. And this is why you need to check and recheck your vehicles and your trailers when you get off the trail. So we ended up finding this camp spot here just outside of Moab, and it was a great little spot. Really happy to stay there. We got ourselves our all roads taken badges. Then Randy got on the road and took a 12-hour drive to get home. Matt and I, we stayed in Moab to fix the trailer.
So, that is not supposed to look like that. 2-hour drive from Moab, we found a shop that had springs in stock that have the same measurement from here to here. Here to here. But you will notice they're a little bit shorter eyelet to eyelet and a little bit more of an arch. But I wouldn't worry about that quite yet.
Now this is proof that we do it right because we do it more than once. When the shackles were engineered, they had these pockets for the springs. Well, these new springs are thicker than the factory ones, so they don't fit. So safety third, let's try not to grind our fingers off. Don't do it like we're doing it. Getting better, safety second, get the hand away from the grinder. But again, what we're trying to do is narrow down these springs to fit those pockets and then enlarge the pockets. And look, safety first, we got our eye protection on.
Hey, can you give me some nuts? Where are they at?
Right on top of the fender. Right there. In your hand. Not that one, the other one.
You're so helpful. I don't know what I'd do without you.
Hey, I'm here holding the flashlight.
You're not even doing that.
I can't even do that right. Yeah. Just under 6 inches. 3.5 inches.
All right, there you go. The repairs are done. Looks like we've got about a 3-inch lift. I think it looks better. Matt's not too happy with it. But for now, whatever. It's time for us to get back on the road, head home. But before we do, we're going to stop at this spring that is just outside of Moab. I just learned about it. This place is neat. The water is amazing. This is some of the best water I've ever had. Fresh filtered right out of the rock. So if you're in Moab, be sure to check it out. So again, time for us to hit the road. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day. Hey, and don't forget to go check out our new website, www.dunnagegarage.com. Again, have a blessed day. We'll see you in the next video.